Hello everyone, this is our advanced UV roll-to-roll printer in action, producing stunning wallpaper with exceptional detail and color accuracy. Using high-precision print head and UV curing technology, every design is printed with sharp details, smooth gradients, and vibrant color that bring walls to life. The instant UV curing system ensures scratch resistance, waterproof, and long-lasting prints, making them ideal for both residential and commercial interior decoration. Beyond wallpaper, this versatile printer can print on a wide range of materials including wall cloth, soft film, PP paper, canvas, advertising materials, and many other flexible media. With stable performance, high-speed production, and outstanding quality, our UV roll-to-roll printer is perfect solution for wallpaper manufacturers, advertising companies, and decoration business. Transform your ideas into reality with Shanghai Ceyi digital technology. Thank you for watching.